Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable antivirus on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. This ensures that all the necessary system processes are running and you'll have full access to your security settings without any interruptions or errors during the process. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, start by navigating to your Windows Start menu, which you'll find located within your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. From here, you'll need to access your system settings. In the search bar that appears, type in Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Settings menu, which is your central hub for managing all system configurations and preferences. After the Windows Settings menu opens, you'll see several categories displayed. Look for and click on Update and Security. This section houses all your security and update-related options for Windows 11. Once you're in the Update and Security section, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. Here you'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Windows Security from this left side menu to access your computer's security features. Now, on the right side of your screen, look for the Virus and Threat Protection option and click on it. This is where Windows manages its built-in antivirus and threat detection features. Keep in mind that the user interface you see might look slightly different from what I'm showing here, especially if your antivirus protection has already been disabled previously. The layout can vary depending on your current security status and Windows 11 version. From this menu, scroll down through the available options until you locate the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. This is where you can control the real-time protection features of Windows Defender. Once you find it, click on the Turn Off button. This action will disable the antivirus protection on your Windows 11 system. Be aware that turning off your antivirus leaves your computer more vulnerable to threats, so only disable it temporarily if absolutely necessary, and remember to turn it back on when you're done with whatever task required it to be off. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the antivirus protection on your Windows 11 computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.